This is a messy room video I'm at the Lone Star Court in north of Austin, Texas, and really cool place.
Not
But
with all the mess in here, it's a mess.
yeah, it's a mess right now. So
why would you take a video when there's such a mess?
Because I'm taking a video because I won't have another chance. So here's our room. It's got really cool furnishings. It's got kind of a mini little ironing board right there, but it works well. Little sofa. This basket right here is part of the mini bar. There's a really cool little luggage rack, and every room has one of these Smeg retro refrigerators. I don't know if you can see, but the color's aqua. It's really cute. And let me show you what's in it. It's all mini bar stuff. And even Republic tequila in the shape of Texas. You've got your ice bucket, nice little desk. That big wardrobe is the closet. And this is, we're in building E, room 114, so we have a king size bed. And then you have a big barn door for the bathroom. And you've got your potty area, big vanity area, bucket of towels, and robe up there, and a stand-up shower. Very retro, all the way down to the floor tile, the little octagon tiles. And let me show you the wardrobe inside here. There's another robe, place for your luggage, safe, coffee maker. And I'm going to show you outside. Here's our view right here. So there's rocking chairs outside of all the rooms. There's a courtyard with fire pits. At night, all the fire pits are lit. There's rocking chairs, and there's a pool right over that way. Right off the bar, restaurant, grill area, there's a pool. So really cute Lone Star Court in Austin, Texas.